Confirmation bias is the tendency to seek out, notice, or interpret information in a way that confirms our pre-existing beliefs and hypotheses, while disregarding or downplaying information that contradicts them. Essentially, we find what we already believe. Instead of approaching new data with an open mind, confirmation bias leads us to filter the evidence, cherry-pick the pieces that fit our prior assumptions. This bias enhances our intellectual comfort by reinforcing what we think we know, but it severely limits critical thinking. By failing to actively challenge our preconceived notions, we risk forming conclusions that feel correct, but are actually incomplete or indeed false. In an analytical context, confirmation bias is especially challenging. For example, imagine a social media analyst who personally believes that a particular political movement is driven by bots. When scanning Twitter or X data, they might focus only on accounts which exhibit bot-like behavior, confirming their theory and ignoring many genuine accounts that contradict it. Similarly, an analyst investigating an incident might latch onto an initial subject or initial theory, and as they gather open source intelligence, they could unconsciously select tweets or posts or news reports that support that theory, all while overlooking evidence pointing in a different direction. In other words, a predetermined hypothesis becomes almost a self-fulfilling prophecy. We have blinkers. We as an analyst begin selecting sources and data points that conform to our original point of view. This means that even a seasoned investigator can fall into the trap of only seeing what they expect or want to see. Suppose an analyst is monitoring online chatter for signs of a security threat. They have a hunch, they have a gut feeling that there's a certain group behind these threats. Due to confirmation bias, they might give extra weight to posts or signals that implicate that group, while rationalizing away posts that suggest a different source. As a result, the analyst's report could wrongly accuse the initial suspected group, missing the true culprit who didn't fit the analyst's initial narrative. This illustrates how confirmation bias can skew analytical conclusions, fostering tunnel vision, where analysts end up reinforcing their existing beliefs rather than uncovering the truth. What's the key takeaway here? Always be wary of the natural pull to confirm your assumptions, and to strive to actively seek out information that challenges your ideas. Because if we have information that challenges our ideas, well, the strength of our ideas should stand up to scrutiny.